Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you what really happened between Travis Scott and the police in France. So Travis Scott went out to perform and tour around France. Unfortunately for him, he got into a misunderstanding with one of the guards. One thing led to the other, and then they exchanged words, also some actions. At this point, it was when Travis Scott used his hands physically to abuse the bodyguard. Now, this led to them calling the police. When the police came in, they did not want to hear anything from anyone. Instead, they got Travis Scott arrested for the things he had done already to the bodyguard. This is trending on the internet, and I don't really know what will happen from here, but all I can say is that with a good lawyer, he will be coming up soon. So let's all hope and stay positive. But currently, the musician has been detained and he's behind bars. So, therefore, we are still expecting that he will be fine. Before now, the people, the photographers in France were chasing him, trying to get a picture of him, and he was running away from them. This is something that always happen often. So he got so embarrassed and so like uncomfortable with the way people were coming at him trying to take pictures of him even when he didn't want it. Travis Scott is a very big musician out there, and to some extent he deserves his space. He deserves his space. Let's stay positive, stay with me and subscribe to the channel. You wouldn't want to miss out on any of your favorite celebrity video. Subscribe to the channel, follow the page, comment in the comment section, and stay tuned.
Elle est où la voiture? That's my son, my son. Fiend. Let's run, guy. Travis.